Hey everyone, it's Michael here with GoodEreader.com, and today we're going to unbox the Tolino Vision 5. This e-reader is basically a rebranded Kobo Libra H2O. So it has a 7-inch screen, it's waterproof, it has a smart light. Basically a smart light is a color temperature system. So not only does it have a front lit display with white LEDs, but it also has amber LEDs to provide a candlelight effect. So this e-reader is basically 8 gigs. It has 7 inches, 300 ppi, e-ink Carta HD. It's waterproof, and it also has Wi-Fi, access to the Tolino cloud, supports primarily EPUB, PDF, and text. Let's open up this bad boy and see what's inside. So packaging, kind of cool, just kind of like opens up. There's really nothing holding this in place. Let's put this aside for a minute. And you have basically a warranty information. It's in German, Dutch, French, so on. You might want to hang on to this. As you can see, this comes with, it's basically the same one they throw into the Shine Vision 5 Epos 2. So, Epos 5 Quick Start Guide. Basically, where the power button is on the back, how to set up Wi-Fi, how to plug it into your PC, and then how to use some gestures for the screen. Finally in the box, braided cable. So this is a bit different than just a generic plastic cable. I'm a big fan of braided cables. They tend to not clump up or get tangled. So this is the e-reader. You can see that manual page turn buttons. You can actually set this up via a software feature to invert it, so if you're right or left-handed, you can get a lot of value out of this. Asymmetrical design, so it's not just like a slab of of black like most e-readers. It's an interesting design, similar to the Kindle Oasis. So USB. On the back is the power button. I find the grip is actually pretty good. It's hard to move my thumbs once they're sort of locked in the back, which is always awesome for an e-reader because you're always holding it with 1 or 2 hands and you don't want it to slip. So this e-reader I think is good value. I believe it's around like 150 euros or so. The exact price and link to purchase it will be in the description. What do you think about this device? Would you buy the Vision 5? Drop a comment below. And for GoodEreader.com, my name is Michael, and everybody take care.